Who are we?
We are
the Honor Family.
I'm sorry.
I like your light, but I wonder would you light up mine? I've been feeling shine away from who I really am.
Welcome back, you guys, to a long video I haven't done in a while. Welcome to a makeup video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a natural look / surprise to go with the natural look. So, let's get to this. And the palettes I'm going to be using are my palette book that I have, and as well as the little palette tray by Magic, and then my contour palette. So yeah, let's get into this. So first I'm gonna prime my eyes so that when I do my eyeshadow, everything can be layered all smoothly. So alright, so I have a mirror off to the side over here, y'all. Normally I don't use a brush, I just use my fingers because, I mean, it's so smooth that it just layers on your eyes easily. And it blends right in with your skin color too. Next, I'm going to go in with the concealer to conceal under my eye right here. Just to cover up my sleeping bags, because for some reason I'm sleepy. But I'm not going to go to sleep because guess what? It's not time for sleep. It's time to work, right? Every day. Every day, all day. Why do I do this? Every time I use this, it pops out on me for some reason. Is not anymore in here? Please. Okay, good. Okay. I'm just fountain everything today, y'all. Alright, so my 1-year-old destroyed my foundation the other day and got it all over her, and it was all on Zaire, it was all on her pillows, it was all on her clothes, and I currently have no foundation, so I had to figure a way out to put some type of color onto my skin until that I can get some foundation. And remind you guys, she was the only one up at this time. Me and Zaire was still asleep, and the only reason we knew she had it is because she started rubbing it all on Zaire, and Zaire woke me up, and yeah, that's how we knew she had it, is because she was sneaking around with it and wasn't supposed to have it. Now I'm going to use a little bit of my LA Color Powder Foundation just to go over my face a little bit. I hate the fact that this is like so powdery and it gets all over the place. That's what I hate about this. So just wait, tap. Okay. If you guys see that, y'all see that. That's insane. Alright, so okay. Now that we're done with that, now I'm going to start just doing my natural look colors on my eyes. And so first, let's go ahead and dig into how I'm going to start my look off. Alright, so this is like, it's like a light purple, but like, it's kind of a little dark too, but not too dark. Because I don't want like too dark of colors on my eyes. I'm gonna go the more natural colored shades. So, just a little bit more. Okay. And now I'm gonna go in with let's see if I have, okay. Still kind of off a little bit, but how do you like that? I know this is the natural look, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, and the rest of it is gonna be a surprise, y'all. So
Beautiful.
Thank you. So I'm gonna do the mascara, and next is gonna be the surprise. So just stay tuned, you guys. Just keep watching. So that's done, and then one more thing I almost forgot before we get to the. Should I do lipstick? I don't know. Babe, you think I should do lipstick?
Yeah.
I think y'all setting me up because I don't want to do a lot of lipstick. Oh, is it gonna come out? Okay. This is like so. It's not really right. I don't think. These floppy somewhere. It's a little messed up, but once it dries, it's not gonna even look like this. Cause I gotta peel it off once it dries up. So, all right. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do these little cherries on my face. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but we're gonna try this. I mean, cause I can't really function right. Oh, I'm scared. I'm nervous. I don't think I can do this. That looks horrible. Look. Babe.
Let me see. No, that's not, bro. I like it. I love it. Yes, baby. I love that.
I don't like those lipstick. I don't like the way it feels while it's drying. It feels so weird. Alright, y'all. I don't have red, so I'm using pink.
That's beautiful. I don't know what you be talking about. Oh.
Alright, so that's the little cherries now. I have one that I need to like that. What was it? Dang it. There it goes. Okay, so I'm using green for this one. Look.
Yeah, I love that.
Alright, now for me to make this other glitter stick, I gotta put a little bit of liquid on my face so it can make it stick, or otherwise it's not gonna stick. Alright, let's see if I can, let's see. Okay, yeah, so there's the cherries. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and remove the lips. Alright. This is so weird. Alright. See what that can do?
Let me see. Turn around. Oh, you look sexy, girl.
Yeah, y'all hear him? He is so irritating. Alright, so here's the final look. The cherry. Alright, now it's time to take a thumbnail and get this video popping. Yes, I have lipstick on my teeth. That's what that is. So, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and always stay positive, stay truthful and honest to you guys. Always love one another. Stay motivated, and stay tuned for the next video, the Honor Friendly uploads. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when I upload the next video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
The Honor Family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.